Hey, this is Ronald from Madreviews. Today we're going to review this Greenworks 80-volt brushless snowblower. This is how this looks. You're going to have to put this together. These screws come out. It's pretty simple. I linked the video to it. There's Bam Bam. What's up, Bam Bam? The battery charges in 30 minutes purportedly, and it runs for 45 minutes. You just pop this up like that. You can see how much battery time is on it. I only have 2 bars. Like I said, this is brand new. I've never used it. Put it in. Make sure it's locked. That's how you pop it back out. Only comes with 1 battery. Close that. The handle. This can go up and down. This can push snow up to 20 feet. You have 2 headlights right here. Here's your pull bar right here. And then this right here, you can turn this. So you just press this down, pull this button up, and that's it. It starts blowing the snow. I have the same Greenworks lawnmower, so I know how this works. But this self-propels. So you don't just pretty much just take a walk with it. I absolutely love this lawnmower. I've had it for 3 years now. I have a really big backyard. And it comes with 2 batteries, operates the same way. Just put them in right there.
It just cuts off. It's going to be a bad review.
Realizing that I bought this product 2 years ago, I never tested it, and at this point, it's over a year, so I'm pretty much out of luck. However, something told me to call Greenworks, which is a Canadian company, and I did. The representative from Greenworks was phenomenal, and the company's customer service is outstanding. They FedExed me a brand new battery that day for free, and it's an upgraded battery as well. Greenworks, you rock. I'm in the basement. Here's the charger. This is the original battery that came with it. And this is a new one they just sent me. The light should blink green right here. And you will hear it charging. And you'll see the lights going across. Now, back to my review. We're outside with this. And I put the new battery in. Unfortunately, this snow came last week. Now it's a little bit icy and chunky and heavy, and it's going to be a little bit of a challenge. So let's see what this snowblower can do. You have to hold the button down first and then pull the lever. And this is tough snow. It's been here for a couple of days. It's not fresh. As you can see, I'm plowing through it. A little tree stuff. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Just plowing straight through it. The snow is hard. Might have a tree stump around here somewhere. Plow out into the shed. I know there's a tree stump there. Pretty good. Kind of push with one hand. Guys to know that this thing is powerful. It goes down to the grass. Go over it a few times, it goes further and further down. Wow, that came right back at me. That sucked. Kind of push with one hand. Way over there. Wow, guys to know that this thing is powerful. Wow. That came right back at me. That sucked. Okay, I'm done. Now I'm freezing. Wow. I eventually ended up doing the entire driveway, and it did run for about 45-50 minutes. They did a great job. I'm very impressed with it. I'm impressed with the company. I can't believe they sent that battery out 2 years later for free. That was awesome of them to do that. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any ideas, suggestions, or comments, please leave them below. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day. Peace.